Hi guys, Mike here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Twitter account private. Although I grew up using the internet and I'm very comfortable online, one of the most important things to me is online privacy. Open Twitter and go to your profile. As you can see, my profile is public. That means anyone can follow me. I just want to be notified when someone makes a request to follow me. Tap the arrow in the upper left-hand corner to leave your profile. Tap your picture in the upper left-hand corner to bring up the menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy. And choose Privacy and Safety. The first option is Protect Your Tweets. Slide the switch to the right to turn it on. Your account is now private. You can tell because of the black lock beside your username. When you make your account private, you will notice that you have a new menu option called Follower Requests in the side menu. Anyone who makes a request to follow you will appear here. Tap the check mark to accept a request and the X to decline it. First, I always review the requests I get. This person is a podcaster from Canada that I listen to all the time.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.